Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know it's your boss Nando in our building, and we're here with another one. This reaction and this song is called Them I Got Dead by Beenie Man. So I'm guessing Beenie Man officially dropped his song aiming at Vybz Kartel, or seemingly aiming at Vybz Kartel. So let's get right into it without further ado. You know, a mad thing. And you know, we've heard a preview of this song on a stage show. Beenie Man had previewed this song at a stage show where Boom Boom was hot, and we saw the video. The crowd standing up, nobody now react to the song cause them now feel the vibes. But let's see if I'm feeling the vibes with the headphone in my ears and the beat is blowing up the speaker. So let's get right into the reaction. Hey, you know it go, man. I'm mad thing. A Vibes and Insight with Nando. Let's go.
Talk of the town music.
We don't talk to them. Them chat to me. Around to them, man. Okay. Yeah. But me no hypocrite. So me no in a hypocrisy. Laba laba, tika plona, chatty chatty, matamasi, chatty me.
Alright, Beenie Man. Cut the track right there. Cut the bull crap right there. The lyrics, I'm gonna say it. The lyrics, for me, it's giving 90s vibes. It's giving 2000 vibes. And we're right now in the 2025 era. For me, the lyrics is not my thing, because I like to hear lyrics and I like to hear metaphors and, you know, play on words. I like that. And so far, the song is not giving that. The song is giving mota mase lippy lippy chatty chatty. Alright, fine. I give it a. I'm not gonna beat the song that bad for now because I haven't gone all the way in the song, but so far it's okay. The rhythm, I like the rhythm, but the lyrics, it's whatever. But let's go all the way in the song. Wait, pull up, because I don't want to miss anything in this song. Let's go.
Talk of the town music.
Talk. You wait name. Talk of the tone music, so he wants to be the talk of the zone, the tone. That's fire so far.
Talk to them. Them chat to me. Around to them, man. Okay. Yeah. But me no hypocrite. So me no in a hypocrisy. Laba laba, tika plona, chatty chatty, matamasi, chatty me have me pass like a tip of man fussy. Me matic and me shotty everywhere me go me got it. Me take it to the.
Y'all know Beenie Man for a clash artist from the 90s, from them time when him jump out wicked. And we know his capability already, but you know, to go up against a Vybz Kartel, a lyrical beast like a Vybz Kartel, you have to be careful. You have to be very potent with lyrics. So Beenie Man, you know what you're getting yourself into? And if this song is this aiming at Vybz Kartel, or if you're shading in some sense, you gotta be careful. But at the same time, remember Vybz Kartel saying that you're not lyrical clash with nobody. And you see in the artwork of a crown from the young man head. He looks like a young man in that artwork, yeah. A youth with a crown, a rifle, skeletons in the background with the name Beenie Man and Them I Got Dead on the wall. So you can say he's taking shots at Vybz Kartel. You're not real, Makai. Dopey, but he was a copy. See why I'm saying he's taking shots at Vybz Kartel. But is it worthy enough for a reply? Let me know in the comment section. Is this song worthy enough for a reply? It's not on Beenie Man's official channel, but it's on another channel. And this was the same song he was previewing at the dance some night ago, or maybe last night or night before last. So is it worthy? Oh, school them. Them I got that. Who fool them? And you know we're here to hype up the song already to see what's gonna happen, the outcome. We're here to do all of that, but I kind of like the flow in the middle of the song, like the chorus. Ooh, school them. Them I got dead. Ooh, fool them. Them I got dead. And he jumped and he changed the cadence of the flow. I like that.
Shot in a head. Ooh, school them. Them I got dead. Fool them. Them I got dead. Ooh, fool them. Yeah, them I got dead. Just get shot in a head. Crime can I swear. When we shoot man score, that a one more. From over Portmore. Kick off door.
Told ya he was gonna say something about Portmore. And once you mention Portmore, you know everybody are gonna look to it and I say Vybz Kartel him and take shots at. But you know us as modern day people, we know how to give certain thing attention, even though Beenie Man a legend. Right now the people in my banter him, you know. The people him not really give no attention. So I'm wondering if he's doing this to spark some attention. We know Beenie Man love attention, him love the spotlight. And Vybz Kartel and Beenie Man, they're two controversial artists, so them name are always ringing in our media for some reason. So this song is one of the reasons them why him name are got called. But let's see if it I go get attention.
Chatter blow through floor like parachute when the blood start pour. Hold gun, make me index flip. New gun, let me shoot some more.
All gun, make me index floor. New gun, make me shoot some more. Nice lyrics, but you know, not top tier, but nice lyrics from a man from Beenie Man. Nice, not bad. The thing that more so catches people is the flow and the catchy lyrics, and that would make the song get attention, which is good. Wait, pull up that. Let me shoot some more. Me tell them, no badness and poor. Rich badness and keep it at poor. Who's fooling? Man. Them I go there, I'm fooling. So Beenie Man is saying some stuff. Beenie Man is saying some stuff in the song. It may not bag of lyrics nor that, but you want to say some stuff, and I'm like that. Let's see if really and truly you want to get a response. Let's see if, you know, Vybz Kartel is a slick nigga, you know, bro. He's a slick guy and he's crafty with everything he does. He may sing another song taking shots at him without Beenie Man, without calling his name. And Beenie Man is capable of doing so also. So let's see if something will happen, if there will be a response to this song. Them I got there. Them I got there. Me I catch a chorus already, bro. How school them? Them I got dead. Who fool them? Them I got dead. And I chatting. I like the flow. The flow bad and it balanced on the rhythm. I like that. Bad. Wait, so he went into a third verse, or I'm tricking myself? Did he went into a third verse for this song, or is it a second verse? I'm not sure. Let me know in the comment section, cause me don't want to draw out the song, but I want to know if it's a third verse, cause it sounded like it's a third verse. And Beenie Man is not one for a third verse. I'm not sure. Let me know if he has any songs that he sings 3 verses, but I don't think Beenie Man is one for a third verse. So it sounds like it's a third verse. Pull it up again. Touch road. We don't only one code. Make you famous. Put up on a billboard. That's bars. I was saying he wouldn't be giving us any metaphor or wordplay, but that's wordplay. That's bars. Sad. Yo, touch road. Something make you famous. Put up on a billboard. So, you know, famous being on a billboard. I like that. That's what's up. Bombocleed. That flow is crazy. You saying me na yo, that flow is crazy, bro. Pull it up, bro. Sure, is only one code. Make you famous. Put you on a billboard. M16 shot them sharper than sword me now. Faster so me no come in on the road me now. Island so me no come here so fi prove over 40. Bombocleed, man say. Me no pastor, so me no come in on a robe. Me no island, some in the comments of the pose. What the hell? I tricked myself into believing that he wouldn't come with the fire, but he literally came with the fire in the second verse. I like that bad, bro. Pull up that part there again, dog. That flow there, sick, dog. Don't underestimate Beenie Man with his style and pattern when he's doing songs, and I underestimated him, but this was worthy. Buckley. And I thought that the song that he had previewed in his Maserati was a bomb, but this song is crazy, bro. This song makes sense. I like that. Remember, bro, you gotta remember that clashing is more potent when you give it an authentic sound, authentic dancehall beat, authentic dancehall lyrics. The bag of lyrics them will fly over people's head. In a clash, it not really make no sense. So lyrics like this that can connect to the ears are easily digestive in a sense where me and you can understand is what makes a clash song nice. And this is what we call a sound. This is what we call. I would always tell people that 90s dancehall is the only thing that connects with people and people of dancehall listeners. So the 90s sound and the 90s dancehall, it's a win. It's a win-win, bro. So let's see if this song will get a reply from Vybz Kartel, because the second verse or the third verse, if I'm not sure, it's really kicking. Let me pull it back. I'm telling you, bro, man's know how to control his cadence and his vocals in the song, bro. He know what I'm capable of. And as I'm saying, bro, don't underestimate Beenie Man, because it may seem like he's looking attention or wants whatever, but you gotta understand that in a dancehall is a competitive sport, and if the artist no retire or put out music, he's gonna always going to put out music. And knowing that Beenie Man is in a position where he's saying he's the king of dancehall, as the king, if you wanna dethrone a king, you have to challenge him, and he's seeking the challenge. So if Vybz Kartel deny the fact, say yo, him now in a clash with Beenie Man, him have to know what him a do. Is either him gonna step in the ring, or is either him just gonna leave it be and say yo, make Beenie Man be the king of film thing and me be the king of my thing. King of the Gaza, Beenie Man the king of the dancehall space, or the king of the stage show or whatever. But Beenie Man has spit something, bro. And if me know for sure for Vybz Kartel, bro, I would suggest he go in the studio, send some shots, may not call him name or whatever, but Beenie Man will take some shots, and both artists are fight for your crown. Let's see how it go. Ooh, fool them. You know, as I say already, bro, Vybz Kartel, a lyrical monster, a lyrical beast. Beenie Man, who's a dancer legend, who's been in multiple clashes from a longer time, from a taller time. So you can see it. Vybz Kartel going on maybe one clash, but Beenie Man in a many. But you can see Beenie Man is very much experienced with clash, and he know how clash go. But in this day and age, we not really look to see a Vybz Kartel and Beenie Man go up together. But you know it got dancehall is dancehall, and it will remain dancehall. And a whole heap of artists are run out now want to take on them one another. So if a king, a proclaimed king, and another man where the people choose as king, I go up against one another. Let's see how it go. But let me know what you think in the comment section. If you think Beenie Man is capable of going up against a Vybz Kartel, Let me know what you think of this song. And you know it go already have Vybz and Insight with Nando. I'm out. Walk good. Peace. Man.